Hello everyone, you're welcome to the Leroy Studios. This is part 7 of our Excel tutorial. We'll be looking at the chart representation of data, for better presentation. Now we can just make a summary of a portion of a chart and we'll make it diagrammatically. Make it maybe in the form of a bar chart, in the form of a pie chart, a line chart, a histogram. Can represent a data with a graphical representation or a graphical presentation of that data. Now we will be talking of two chart representation of data, the pie chart and the bar chart. Firstly, let's look at the bar chart. But before you do that, you have to select a particular range of data you want to represent on a bar chart. Now I would like to have the names, gender, the subject of each student, and the score represented in a chart. So let me highlight the range of data that I need to extract or represent diagrammatically. So I click on my insert, I come to column, then pick my 2D column. Wow, a lot of data analysis. Let me expand this so that we'll be able to see it clearly. Fine. If you can look at it vividly, on our right hand side we have this the representation, the legend of each subject. Blue for maths, the other color for English, biology, physics, accounts, geography, economics. The Y and X axis, we have the score line by the X, the vertical axis, and the horizontal axis we have the name of each student and also their gender. Now for John, we can easily say that for maths, John scored 66. We can look at it and yes, this is a point of 66. For English, John scored 74. Yeah, it's accurate. For biology, John scored 59, which is very close to the point of 60. Which is in purple color now, for physics, John scored 67. For account, which is blue, John scored 65. For geography, John scored 77. For agric science, John scored 53. For agric science, John scored 80. And for chemistry, John scored 56. So we can analyze this grammatically, diagrammatically. You can see them, well formatted and formulated. This is a clustered bar chart. Quickly, let me go through the pie chart. For pie chart, data analysis is more streamlined than bar chart. We can have a lot of data analysis on bar chart. For pie chart, you have to be precise on what exactly are you trying to represent. So now I'm trying to represent the total on our pie chart. Let's know that the total score in pie chart. Insert, come over to pie, and to the pie chart. Fine, we have the total and the representation of the total in numbers. I don't want this. I want it to be represented with the names of my students. So I come over here, I click on edit, as in I right click, I select the data I want, which is the total. I edit, I have to drag the range that I want to be represented. Can you see it? I have John, Vanessa, Peter, Abdul. Moses, Rita, Sandra, Richard, and Delaroy being picked, which is the first 12. You can do that for the next 12, and you continue to do that. With that, you can be able to see that most of them actually had a very close range with each other. It wasn't the space or the scores they had or what the gap they actually gave themselves wasn't wide. It was very close. That's why you can see the pie chart very mated and just like as if it has the same shapes but slightly different. That's fine. You can lay your hands on other charts. Here we have the line chart and we have some other forms of bar charts. Pick a certain range of data you want to analyze, turn it up to a chart form. You can edit the legend, the specific names of values that you want, so that it will suit, or it will be customized to suit what you're actually focusing on. Thank you very much for listening. Join me in my last part, in my concluding part of Excel worksheet. Bye bye.